Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the dock software and theme. This gives you the Mac OS layout on Windows. First, run the installer for Rocket Dock or your chosen app and allow it to create shortcuts. This installs the core docking engine. Next, extract the Mac OS icons and theme files into documents or program files so they're easy to find. Once done, create a Windows restore point or backup. Make sure you can revert changes if something conflicts with Explorer or Startup. Now you customize the dock so it behaves like Mac OS. Open the dock settings and position it at the screen bottom, adjust size and magnification for that fluid zoom effect, and set icon spacing to match. Then swap app icons by selecting each pinned shortcut and applying your Mac OS-style icons. This gives visual consistency. Make sure auto-hide is enabled and configure click-through and taskbar integration to avoid overlapping Windows taskbar elements. This ensures smooth interaction. Finish by making the dock persistent and testing behavior across sessions. Add the dock app to Windows Startup so it launches automatically, then open several apps and full-screen windows to check for overlap or scaling problems on high DPI displays. If icons look blurry, verify icon resolution and theme compatibility. If the dock crashes or Explorer exhibits glitches, use your restore point to roll back. Then reinstall the dock and apply settings more conservatively to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.